Okay, this is my invention I made with my dad and my mom. It has lots of pieces to it. And we started off with like 2 bar holder things. And then we made our way up. And then we made these 2 little balls. And they were where the people ride it. And there's like a long chain that we had to put together. Ow. And there is this thing that works, and whenever it spins, it connects this to spin. Watch this. Because of that thing. See? And you'll see how it works. And that's my video. And there's one more thing. We had to make like 60 of these seats, I think. And we had to keep on putting little parts together to get these seats done. And also, it took us a long time to really get all these pieces together. So that's my video.